Okay, this was a dodgy sort of 13, 12, 13. It's in the clod. And I think I just saw something. I saw a little something sticking out there. Oh my goodness, what have I got? Oh sorry, you can't even see what I'm doing. I'm too excited. It looks almost too good. There she is. Oh. We didn't get out till, well, about 5:30. We've been helping out today at Ludlow Castle because they had an archaeology weekend, and our friend there, who's the archaeologist for the castle, said would we like to come along, and there was the flow there as well, our local flow, and do demonstrations and chat about finds and go through the process of when you find things and who to inform. So it was a great day and very well attended, and there was castle tours and talks and lectures and people showing you how to clean your finds as well and getting kids involved. So it was really nice, and hello to anyone I might have met on the day. It was a really well run event. Well done Leon there for getting that organised. So we've hopped onto one of our new permissions now. As you can see, it's all been ploughed, so we're giving it a go. We're just going around the edges to begin with. Absolutely boiling still. It must be, well, in the 20s anyway, still in the 20s. So we'll let you know. We found bullet cartridges and bits of foil so far. So who knows, it could be the next hole that we find something exciting. So stay with us and I'll catch you in a mo. Yeah. Just the top of a modern day pencil. It's still got a rubber on the top, look. That shiny silver had me going for a split second, but hey ho. Let's see the expert with his swinging action. Look at that. Watch and weep, that's what I say. Admiring your sweep.
Is it alright?
It's perfect. Well, so far that's about the only thing I've found that hasn't been squashed, mashed or impacted or chopped in half. That's a little 2-ringer lead bullet. I think it's 2-ringer. Could see it earlier, but anyway, yeah, not bad. It's whole. And that came in at 7.8 on the Knox 800. Right, I thought I had a bit of a clog clasp then. But I've got a feeling it's a little bit more modern, probably part of a Jubilee clip or something. Oh gosh, you never know now. Not sure what that is. It's a 9. It's got a lump both sides, so maybe some kind of a rivet. Or the centre of something. Tat anyway. Gosh. Okay, what have we got? Oh, that's a weird shape. Yeah, I think that's the back. Tomback of some sort. That's a shame. I thought I'd actually found something exciting there. However, that's another bullet. Simon's found a couple of buttons and a modern day penny and little bits and bobs of stuff, but neither of us have done very well today. That's okay. It's the end of this long day and we've enjoyed ourselves just being out. Right, not far, nearly to the car. Let's carry on. This was a wispy 17, quite deep. I think it's the remains of a button. Possibly was a fancy one at some point. Might have had cloth around the edges or leather or something. It's got the bits at the back which would have been the shank. I'll give it a clean up later. I doubt if it's silver. But something different. I've not found a button like that before. Nice little posh jacket button, I guess. Let's carry on. Here we've got a very clear 1819 all the way around. Give that a dig. Quite deep. Let's give it a go. Just target it. That'll do. Near enough. Give me a big woo. Let's turn you round. Yeah. Anyway, there's a big woo, I'm there. I'm trying to avoid all the sheep poo as well, because I'm not really wanting to kneel in it. I've only got flimsy trousers on today because I thought it was going to be absolutely boiling, and it's quite overcast and breezy, which is actually quite refreshing. Still in the hole, a bit deeper methinks. Very dry, and we have had a bit of rain, but close to this edge, so I'll just take this edge off, go down a bit more and see how we got on now. Still in, deeper. Okay, take a bit of the loose out and then go down with the pointer. Oh, here we go. Still says it's quite deep. Let's see if I've gone deep enough. I'll rest you on there. So you're quite high up, and we'll have a look into the hole. The hole, can't see there. Get my pointer down there, let's see where we are. Oh, crikey. Still in that back wall a bit more. Let's go in behind here. Still in there. Going back gently. Gosh, it's quite rock hard all of a sudden. Oh, I think it's in this. Yeah. Just check that hand because I've got rings on. Ugh, I've seen the ring. Oh no! It's a bloody folded up golden moo tube. Oh, that's my second one today. Sounds about that, folks. Moo tubes usually come in at about a 16, so that fooled me. I thought it was going to be a coin. Never mind, let's carry on. 23, 24, fingers crossed for at least a nice copper coin.
Or some aluminium.
Wasn't trashy enough, it was a nice steady 23, 24. Could be a giant moo tube, I suppose.
It's nowhere near as exciting. No.
No? What's it sounding like now? Signal wise?
It's really kind of iffy.
Only one way to find out. The proof is in the pudding. You are the coin whisperer, darling, so it's bound to be a coin.
Yeah, right. What's that? Oh,
Do you want my digger?
There's an edge.
You want that?
Yeah.
Doing.
Oh, got rid of that. There it is. Oh, I don't need it.
Where's it? Better not be a ring pull. It's a coin!
Light.
Yeah. Gosh. You'll get stuff off it. There's definitely detail left on there. Gosh, I can't get all this crud off it. We'll come back to you in a minute when we've cleaned it up. Jury's out on that one. We'll take it home and give it a better clean up. There's definitely some writing around that one edge. But other than that, can't get much detail. I can see oh God, we didn't bring our glasses with us today. Right, we'll give you a cleaned up version. Well, this started off as a very dodgy 18 with an iron grunt, but I've got the iron out, it's over there. And according to the detector, there's still nice clear signal in here now. Obviously it's deeper. Oh, deeper. Deeper! Is my lovely assistant mind digging a bit deeper for me? Thank you. I have to go over it with the detector. Goes up to a 21 now. Still deeper. Nearly on it.
Not by much. Well, it could be surrounded with stuff I've just dug up, actually.
Yeah. Could be back in that back wall a bit more.
Let's see.
And we've been widening the hole. It still says it's deeper. You got it? I got it! Oh my God, I actually got a coin! That's amazing. Crikey, that was hard work. Oh, who is it? After all that, we got a Queen Victoria in a bun head, one of her earlier ones. 1 penny, trying to clean off the muck off here. 1862. Okay. So she's already been on the throne for about 30 years. No, 25 years. Yet she's still got her young bun head on. Ta-da! That was a tricky one, but we got there. Got another nice sounding signal here in the 20s. Simon's in the middle of digging it. Went up to about a 28 on mine. It's a big fat wormy. Wow, he is. Big chunky monkey. In or out?
Out, I think.
Always buy a worm. Told you. They're the guardians. Hey, big dandy button. Is it? Or is it a silver coin? It's a silver coin. I think I saw a portrait.
Oh, it's got a strange pattern. Oh, it is.
Wow, that's come up as a bullhead, is it? That's a stonker, darling.
Yes.
Let's have a look.
It was very worn when it was lost.
Yeah. 1816.
That's George the Fourth.
George
Yeah.
the Third.
So it was the next one.
Wow, I thought it was a dandy button when I saw it like that with the ridge.
Is it white, right or left?
He's facing to the right.
Which is the same as George the Third.
It is George the Third.
Oh right, okay. William the
Yeah.
Fourth goes that way.
1816.
Okay.
Perfect. Well done, darling. Simon's on the silver.
Have I hit that, or is that?
No, it looks old. It's got dirt in it. I think it's an old scratch. Congratulations. 1816. Crikey, and that is like, it's about 50 years older than the coin I just found.
Yeah, look.
What's that, the imprint?
Yeah.
Oh. Well done. 26, 27, 28 in the hole. It has revealed itself. I shall point you down that. Let's see if you can see it. What do you reckon?
Hate me, copper hate me.
There it is. Right, yeah. Oh, that's the imprint. There's the imprint. Now let's find the coin. Oh, okay. Coin might already be out. There it is. Phew. Yes. Okay. Just a little bit of a squirt on here, I think, or maybe even
I reckon that's a George again.
Do you reckon? Yeah, it's thicker than a Victoria, I think. Crikey. Yeah. It's very worn.
I'll give it a trouser rub.
Yeah. Looks like a bicycle on the back of there.
Hey?
The heck is all that? Not entirely sure. That could be part of the ship's masts of a ship's halfpenny. I thought it was a bit thicker than a Vicky coin, and it's older than this century. So we'll go with either George III or Victoria, unless we can clean it up better at home. It's a little bit knackety poo. Let's carry on.
Small one.
A little coin.
No.
Oh! That's you, is it, mister? Is it going to be a farthing? Crikey, it's nothing of it. I'm just going to squirt it. You've got the imprint as well. I'm squirting the imprint. Oh dear. Let's put that there. Yeah, it's really cruddy. Well, it's an old coin. It's not a modern day penny, I don't think.
Deep enough.
It's too deep for that. Yeah, it may have some writing around the edge, but I think we're going to lose it in any cleaning up. Should we go with a farthing? Let's go and get a... I got a feeling it's not going to be anything fantastic, but it was clear. Scrape away gradually. Something will come up in the end. Oh, it's out there, look at that. What's that? It says, pull here. Anybody wants to come here and pull? Don't know what you're going to get next, do you? So that's off an old oil can, I should think. That was deep. That was blooming deep. Oh, what's that? What the heck is that? Is that iron? There we go. Oh, I'm not sure what it is. It's got green running through it.
That's weird, isn't it?
Which is what I pulled a bit off earlier. It's a bit of copper round something. Don't know. Let's hand it over to Simon. Might be an old lead. Look what Simon got. Is that a stylus?
Gotta be, hasn't it?
Don't know. It's got a ridge in it. Has that been hit?
I think it's been hit at some point, but not by me, you know.
So Stylus makes this area a lot older than what we've been finding. Doesn't it? Right on their bits of lead, on their slate.
So it's steel or iron, that thing.
This or that.
No, that, yeah.
Gosh, something going round something, isn't it? It's like part of an old trap, maybe. There was a hinge there by the looks. Maybe it's part of an old mole trap or something. There's probably more down there. Nice find.
That's one, isn't it, for goodness sake?
Very nice find, that, darling.
That's a stylus.
Let's chop that away. Let's carry on. We're going to try and get into another field. That was 18 all round. My first bit of lead. I think I might have caught it on the back slightly, but it's just a strip. Nothing amazing. Bloody hard there. But it could be medieval. That's my first bit of lead on here. Let's carry on. Okay, this was a dodgy sort of 13, 12, 13. It's in the clod. And I think I just saw something. I saw a little something sticking out there. Oh my goodness, what have I got? Oh sorry, you can't even see what I'm doing. I'm too excited. It looks almost too good. There she is. Oh, not quite complete. Hammered! What a beauty. Ah, it's got the stars on it, so that's Scottish. Scottish! I decided to do my thing, to go under the pylons. I wouldn't have walked here otherwise.
How do you know it's Scottish?
Got the stars instead of the dots.
Wow.
Hey!
Wow.
I know! There's a little niblet out of it.
Yeah, little bloody hit with a spade.
No, it was in there, look. That bit was in there.
Wow,
Right.
sure.
Woohoo! Have a look.
I can't, I've got the wrong glasses on.
Oh, bugger now. You may mock me about my pylon theories, but I like to walk the
Wow, that's early.
points. It is early, isn't it? There's my imprint there. And that was like a 12, 13.
Oh, it's a shame you hit it with the spade.
I did not hit it with a spade. As you can see, it was in the middle of the clod.
I'm not absolutely even sure that that's been nibbled. It's
weird.
so round.
Yeah.
Looks like that would have been a perfect one.
It was exactly in there, like that.
So is the other bit in there then? Have you tried?
No, I haven't actually. It'd be weird that it'd be in there though. And not attached anymore. No. No, I just flipped the clod over and she was there.
Oh, how
and I thought,
exciting.
is that a button? Is that a button? Is that a button? No, I don't think it is.
That's proper old.
Proper old. I can see a crown. I can see someone holding a sceptre.
Yeah.
It looks like someone's facing forwards.
Why do you think it's Scottish?
Because of those stars instead of pellets.
Yeah, no, that's at that period, and this is
Yeah.
early.
Okay.
That it doesn't necessarily mean it's Scottish. I think.
Do you know what? I've had a right old hammy drought. I should be able to read some of that, but I can't. We'll have a gentle clean up when we get home and you'll be able to identify that within
Wow.
a very short
Oh.
time. Yay! And it's a long cross, isn't it?
No, it's not. It predates that. It's just a cross.
It's just a cross.
I think it's before Edward,
Yeah.
when all that started.
Okay, it's very early then.
Yeah.
That's because I'm super.
Yeah, that is super.
Okay, we've got a 20 here. Let's dig her up. Straight in going straight in. I'll just turn you around so you can see what I'm doing. Oh. So this is my next hole after my hammy. But it's going to be a moo tube. Still in the hole, a bit deeper. I'll get some of that loose out. See if you can spot anything. No, that's deeper. It could be in the side wall, of course, but I'll go down in a second. Let's go down, have a look down there. Nothing obvious yet. Let's pop you there. Move you over the hole, which is quite tricky because there's so much grass about. We're in a meadow with some sheeps. And it is still deeper. I wish it was. Yeah, no, I wasn't out. That there, because I think it's just behind here now, whatever it is. Whatever it is, it's just... Oh! Saw something shiny. Oh, crikey. It's gone, whatever it was. No, there it is. It was a flash of something shiny down there, can you see? It's either shiny or lead. I think that's going to be it. Let's see if I can get my finger under it. Oh, it's sort of moving. I don't know how far back it goes. Oh, get my thumb under it. Yeah, it's coming. Might be a piece of lead. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is lead with some kind of a shape to it. That makes sense. Hold on. It's definitely it. Gosh, for a minute there, I thought I had an ampulla. But no, I think it's just a folded over piece of lead. Huh? What? Oh, it's just an ampulla. Lead. What have you got? Huh? I'm coming. I'll come and help you. Hold up. Let me just check what this is. Lead ampullas were vessels that pilgrims brought over from the Holy Lands, and then they carried the holy water. Or some churches had them, but this looks more like a bent piece of lead. I thought I saw some patterning. It is still pliable, sort of. Anyway, Simon's calling me. He needs my help. I'll go over there, and if it's anything exciting, get back to you in a second. Ta-da! Okay, got to dig this one. May not be brilliant, but 16, 17. Let's hope it's not another lump of iron. We're on our way back to the car now. We're both a bit knackedy. Turn you around the face the right way. There we go. It's really long grass again. However, didn't stop us finding stuff before. It's just tougher to get through and to swing through. Coin coming from Simon. 17, 18 I think it was, or 16, 17. I reckon mine's going to be a moo tube. What's your signal?
2022.
That's 17. Still in the hole, but on the edge somewhere. Ow, my knees. I'm not meant to face that direction. Right. Have a little look down here. Yeah, I thought it was under there. Oh, I got a coin! Bit of grass in front of there. Got a coin!
What colour?
Green.
Okay.
It feels like a Vicky. It's thin, but good patina. Yeah, it's Vicky. halfpenny, I'd say, that size.
The lump of lead, the partner to the one that you
Oh yeah,
found
the other half of my ampulla.
Ampulla? Yeah.
You found the other half? Oh, I can't quite get the date. 1864. Still got her bun. And looking very majestic. I may add, can you see it? Can you see it?
What is it?
Vicky Halfpenny.
Okay.
Ooh, big buggy. So that one, I'm not picking him up. I'll put him on the end of my pointer. You see him? Put him back afterwards. Anything that's got red furry legs usually means they've got a bit of a bite to them, so I won't bother him. Well, I've got a very, very, very faint 22, 23, 24 under there, but there's a tiny grunt afterwards, but I'm going to go for it because it's deep, so there could be iron lying on top of it, or it could maybe be a buckle, something like that. I haven't had any buckles off this land, so I'm going to dig it just out of curiosity, if nothing else. Just try and turn you around. I've put this a bit stiffer so it stops flopping about. So I should have made a wider hole really, because if it's going to be deep I have to get in there with a shovel, but we'll check it out first. Is it out? Unearthed, you know, I had one of those bugs earlier. Well, look, this one's in the next stage. One of those doodle bugs. He's in the stage of coming out, look. That's what they grow into. See it? Oh, you're still filming? I think you are. See that? So I've woken him up a bit early now. I don't think he actually wanted to come out to play yet. Woo! Oh, don't want to touch him, but there. That's what one of those bugs is going to turn into. His shell's still a bit soft, his wings aren't ready yet. So I will cover him over again. He's just had a rude awakening. I'll come and have a look, hold up. Simon's come in to help me.
Who is?
Simon has.
Oh.
I'm going to show him the doodle bug, May bug, in a minute.
Oh.
What have you got? Iron?
I've got brick.
Brick? A buckle! I said a buckle! Oh my gosh, I've got a buckle! So that's why it would give me that iron bit. There probably was a pin at some point. That is beautiful. That's going to have decoration on as well. Why am I so excited over a buckle?
That's a pretty one, isn't it?
We've not found one on here.
No.
No buckles. So I'm going to suggest that perhaps this is Georgian then. Because we've had so many Georgian finds on here, coins on here.
Apart from William the Conqueror.
Apart from
just over there.
My hammer that Simon thinks is very, very old, but I can't actually see anything on it. There, I am so happy with that. Beautiful. Thank you for helping me. I'll show you my bug now. He's gone back under here. You look, he's hanging on with his tail. Oh, he's unfortunately.
There's a Maybug.
Maybug.
Nice.
So I'm going to put him back in. His little hole was there. That's where he came out of. So we fill this mess up. Oh, sorry, forgot I was still filming. Beauty. Yes. That is one of the nicest buckles I've found in ages.
Yeah. So look.
That's one of the nicest buckles I've found in ages. What signal have you got in there?
Mainly 21.
21.
And it's still in the hole somewhere.
Oh, we've been having a cracking day.
Yeah, I don't know where it is.
through the sidewall. That's it. Do you want Miss Scooby-Doo? Can we see it? Button, buckle, coin, what have you got?
Oh,
Can you see it?
shiny silver.
Silver?
Well, it's silver coloured. Oh, it's silver coin.
You never got another silver coin. You have jammy marmalade.
George
Fifth.
V.
That's his.
Definitely not George V1. Yeah,
No,
George
it's the
V.
older one. What age?
You know, I can't see.
I can see it. Turn it around, 1920 something. 29. 1929. Crikey. Another silver for you. You found a George III Bullhead silver shilling earlier.
1826.
1826. And this one 103 years later. In the same field? No, the next field across. Brilliant. That is amazing.
Is that real silver?
Yeah, 29. I think so, anyway. It'll be a high content. Don't know if it changed over 24. But anyway, that was 6 months. I don't know, but yeah, it's as good as.
Huh?
Well done, babe.
Yeah, not as good as yours though.
Yeah, well, we can't all have hammies and buckles.